Come on, the ice machine's broke again? What am I gonna do? Well, we have the solution for you. Introducing the reverse microwave. What's a reverse microwave? The reverse microwave is just how it sounds. Instead of making things hotter, it makes things colder. Take this ice tray for example. As you can see, it is filled with water. Simply open the door of the reverse microwave, put it in there, close the door, and put in 30 seconds. And let the magic begin. Behold, we have a tray of ice.
That's amazing. How much does it cost?
You can get it at the low price of $249.99 or go to www.reversemicrowave.com.
Hey, I think I'll order one.
Get it now!